Hello and welcome everyone. This is Engineer Amanullah, your course instructor for project planning and controlling using PrimaVera P6. In this topic we will discuss about leveling resources. What if a resource is over-allocated? Over-allocation means a resource is working for more than budgeted units per time. This occurs when one resource is added to two activities at the same time. To solve this problem, we can level resources manually or we can use PrimaVera built-in leveler, but we have to give certain information to PrimaVera built-in leveler so he can level resources as we want to. So this is PrimaVera leveler. Here we have to give this information. This automatically level resources when scheduling. Consider assignments in other projects with priority equal higher than. Level all resources. If we check this, it will level all resources. If we check this, it will level resources only within total float. Yani it will level those resources which are not on critical path. And we have to set priority for leveling. Here we have set priority, project leveling priority, and in ascending order. It means that it will first level those activities which are in project of higher leveling priority. Let's see this in our PrimaVera software. This is our PrimaVera software. First we have to check our resources. Check this box, resource usage profile. Then here civil engineer is not over allocated, labor not over allocated, mason not over allocated, commissioning resources are over allocated. Here see these red means they are over allocated. 8 hours are standard hours and they are working for another 8 hours. Electrical engineer not over allocated, MAP technician not over allocated, MAP labor not over allocated. So now why these commissioning resources are over allocated? Because it is assigned to two activities, finishing work and handover. Both activities are from 2nd of October 19 to 8th of October 19. So they are this resource is working on two activities simultaneously. So it will work 8 plus 8, 16 hours. Now we can use PrimaVera leveler and we can manually level this one. First we will see how PrimaVera leveler work. This is our PrimaVera leveler. Level resources we can find it here also. Level resources. These are the options. See, we will first see level resources only within activity total float. Now we see these activities are on critical path. It will not level these activities because what we have checked level only those resources within activity total float. It means that it will level those resources which are assigned to activities on non-critical path. It will not level critical path. If we uncheck this one and not another thing, if you uncheck this one, it means that it will level resources on critical path also. And if it level resources on critical path, it will change schedule date. See here, this schedule finish date is 8th of October. After labeling, it is changed to 5th of October. So care should be taken here. Now here there is another way. We can label this manually. Here it is working 8 hours on this activity, it is working 8 hours, and on this activity it is working 8 hours. First we will see here. Now I have changed it back to so I have changed it back to the same. It is not leveled or relocated. Now I will level it manually. We have already anticipated why it is over allocated, because it is working on both of these activities for 8 hours on same day. Now go to detail section, resources. See, resources, now it is budgeted for 8 hours per day on this activity and 8 hours per day on this one also. We will change this for 4 hours. It will work on finishing work, and for another 4 hours it will work on handover. So now resource commissioning is working on both activities, but for 4 hours daily. 4 hours on one activity and 4 hours in another activity. Let's see what is the result now. See here, now it is working daily for 8 hours. So we have labeled resources manually, and we have labeled it by PrimaVera labeler also.